Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to post a job on dubizzle for free. So once you log into your account for the first time and you're posting a job, then it will be free. The other listings, they give you 5 in a month every 30 days for free. So for the job, first one will be free. You just come to the top right, you click on place your ad, and then from here you click on jobs, click on I'm hiring, and they'll take you to this page where you need to choose who you're hiring for. You're either hiring for personal reasons, for example, individual services like drivers, tutors, house help, or you're hiring for a company, a corporate job, engineers, accountants, front desk, things like that. What I'll do, I'll go ahead and put up a posting for an administrative assistant. So I'll choose company right here. And anything with an asterisk, you need to fill these in. So for example, company name, we'll go ahead and have right here, Sky Account Solutions. Company type, we'll go ahead and do a sole proprietorship right there. City, Dubai. Industry will be accounting. Trade license number, right? I'll go ahead and type that in. This one is optional. Anything without an asterisk, as you can see, it is optional. I'll just go ahead and fill that in regardless. There we go. And then come back here after I've filled in these other details. Now, the logo is also optional. You can click here on upload logo and then upload one. Completely optional. Click here on open. There we go. And you can go ahead and have a social profile right here. If you want, you can have the links. Otherwise, you can just click here on save. Now, once you are done doing this, you only have to do this once for the company. And then you click here, post a job. Then you select a city where they'll go ahead and post your ad. Let's say, for example, we'll do Dubai. Click here on Yalla. And after that, they'll take us to this page. They'll ask you to enter a short title to describe your listing. So I've entered administrative assistant. I'm being informative, right? The location Dubai right there in the title. It shows up in the keywords as well, and I have made it attractive, right? It's an accounting firm, so whoever wants experience in the accounting or finance field, they can come here as well. So click on let's go. And then after this, you need to go ahead and pick a category for your ad. You need to choose the right category. That'll get you more views, more leads. As you can see, it has picked up for us accounting and then finance. Or you can choose something else as well. I'll stick with this one. And then, as you can see, they're asking us about the role. So here, I'll go ahead and type this in, administrative assistant. In this case, they didn't have the exact title that we're using, so we went with account executive. For industry, we'll pick accounting right here, and then you can add a brief job description. So filled in a description, make sure you go ahead and outline the job duties, the responsibilities, and the kind of qualifications you need. Of course, here when you see the asterisks, you need to fill these in as well. So employment type full-time. Is this a remote job? No. Minimum work experience, and fill that in. Let's do 2 to 5 years. Minimum education level, the bachelor's degree, monthly salary. Fill this one in. We'll do 4,000 to 5,999 dirhams. Now here, you can go ahead and auto reject applicants that are not based in the UAE. This is optional. We'll not do that. Company name, there we go. If you want, you can hide the company name. You can click here on yes if you want to do that. And if you are a well-known company, people are more likely to apply just to get that name in their CV. So in that case, just go ahead and say no. So here I'll go ahead and scroll down. CV required, yes. Skills, you can add the skills that you think they would need so that they can go ahead and make sure they have that before they come here and apply to your job posting. And here you go. You can ask them questions to see if they qualify, and they'll go ahead and filter them out if they do not answer correctly. Here you can set the location, and then you just come here and click on next. After that, just go ahead and verify with your phone number. They'll send you a verification code. You confirm yourself, then you can post that job. But that is how to post a job on dubizzle for free.